Hey guys, it's Cooking with Christian, and today on my bike right here, the same one, and we're gonna put banners out. This is a banner. It says yard sale, and I'm lucky that.
When is our yard sale, the community yard sale, Chris?
What? Oh, it's
Tell everybody.
When someone.
It's this Saturday.
It's this Saturday.
At the Union Mill Community Pool, okay?
Yeah. And
at 8 a.m., between 8 a.m. and 12 p.m.
Yeah, and maybe later on Halloween Day, I'm going to post this video, and it's going to be called Chili Cook-Off.
That's a different event.
I can't wait until it, because it's so good. Like, I just get the opportunity, the opportunity to just walk around, taste whatever I want. And as I was saying, I'm looking to have a dad like this because he has a job here. He's the manager of all the events, so that means I'm gonna put up these. So let's get on. Let's get on.
Okay, let's go to work. We have the banners.
The banners are right here. How much?
A small ladder.
What?
And the drill.
Yeah.
Okay, let's go.
Let's go. I'll hold this one-handed. It's gonna be hard. Can I set up a camera? Uh-oh. Did you guys find me? I have no idea how hard it is. But my dad's hard. It's harder for my dad. Because literally, look at my dad. Let's go. As you can see on my bike, on the tire, I have to hold my hand. My little hand. Seriously. My hand. It's hard. I'm going to put this guy in the ground for now. Hey guys. Yeah, we are. Bye. A YouTube video. Let's go. It's nice, Daddy, that they got a new pavement here. It's pretty nice. Let's go fast. I can barely see it. Oh look, Daddy, Daddy, maybe you should ask someone to add like another pavement. Like you should ask someone to add another pavement so it could connect this one. Cause so we don't have, that one. What?
That's why we couldn't do it.
What?
The
Why?
pond is the county land, it's not the community.
So we couldn't?
We couldn't do it, but maybe we can do it now.
Good. Now we're here. Woo! Okay. Now, as you can see, we're at the end of the fence. This is on the other side. See, this side, that side. And we're gonna set it up. Then we're gonna go to the front right there. In the front, to the front of a community. And we're gonna put the other one in front. So, I placed you guys there. So, right here. Lottie, look where I put it.
Okay.
So now you can see me working. Let's get the top out. I want to show you the whole banner. Can I unfold it in front of the camera to show them? Okay, Daddy. You hold this side. So I can show the camera. And then I'll hold this side. See? There's what the banner says. Union Mill Community Yard Sale. This Saturday, 8/12 at Coon House.
Okay.
So, where's the screwdriver? Oh.
Let's get to work.
Can I put this in front of the camera? And I'll move it. Can you hold the camera now?
Yes,
And
we
you-
have to install it.
Okay. Now, once we install it, I'll keep the camera
Okay.
here. Wanna-
Can you give me one screw at a time?
Yeah.
Look.
But I wanna. This is only 93% are not subscribed to this YouTube video, so please look right here and you'll see that 90% are
Okay,
not
Chris, hold
subscribed.
these.
But then can Woo. Woo. So 93 of people are not subscribed. Get that to 0.
Okay, Chris, you can give me one at a time and you can maybe turn the camera away.
Okay, let me place these down. Let me get there, guys. And my tattoo. Okay, so here they are.
Give me, Chris, one at a time.
One, you need one? You need one?
Yeah.
Okay, here's my perspective. Okay, good. Let's go. Oh yeah. You need another one?
Yes.
Here you go.
Okay, it fell, Chris. Give me back.
Where?
Yeah.
Found it. No, you just use this one. It's another one. This one will be next. Hey guys, it's Cool Gamer Christian, and this is part 2. Someone called on the phone and it turned it off. So my dad. Wait, did he?
Okay,
No.
give me the last one, Chris. Where
Here it is.
are those?
Then
Where
I
did
give
you
you-
put them?
Then I give you one. Oh yeah, right here. Wait, can you hold it now?
Hold it, Chris. I have to
Can I do it now? Can I do it now? Can I do it for you now, Daddy? Can I do it?
Okay.
Okay, can you hold the camera now? Can you hold the camera? Hold the camera.
Chris, I don't think I have to.
I'm gonna. Ready?
Wait, no, Chris, no. No, Chris.
Alright. So it just stays like that.
I know, Chris, but I need to help you.
Okay. So I will just take it.
See? Put this and you put this on top. And pull this a bit. And push into it. Okay.
Okay.
Looks good?
That's good.
Okay, let's move on to the next one.
Yeah, get the. I'm gonna get ready. Get the chair and the banner.
Step on it, please.
And let's get working. I'm gonna give you show you my bike. It's fine. I'm right here. Oof. Let's turn it around. I could have been one. FedEx. Oh yeah. So yeah.
Okay, let's go.
Come on. Right there.
Okay, go, Chris.
Okay, see you at the next location. I know what. Let's go. Oh, my dad's passing it. There's my shadow. Accelerate my pedaling. You know? My little feet get tired. A lot. But I gotta keep you guys on the ground. And accelerate. Now I gotta crash for private reasons. It's just a road. I know. Union Mills, Clifton, Virginia. Hey guys, it's Cool Gamer Christian Part 3. And today we have just arrived at the second area. So, let's go. So now I'm going to prepare these. So, yeah. Okay. So I need this. Then I'll get one a bullet and then I'll stick it through. You can just spin it. Okay. One done. A few more. I have no idea how much to go.
Okay, give me one.
One? You're lucky, I just finished one.
Thank you.
Second one. Done. Hey Daddy, is there supposed to be one extra?
Yeah.
Oh. Get the other one started. There is 2 extras.
Listen, I'm glad I brought another charger. Let's see.
Oh, it went out?
Yeah.
You're lucky. Okay, we done. Let's go. So when someone named M. Chris.
One, please.
One. I got. So anyways, for the sponsor of this video, Dragon City. It's a place where you can customize your home, get merge dragons with other dragons, and there's special YouTuber dragons, and you can fight with other people and your friends, and then you can hatch eggs, level up, train them, and so on. So if you want to download the game, and let's get back to the video. Okay, we're right here as we just finished the nails. My dad fast forwarded, but faster. So yay. So he was using every single ball when I was finishing them. Don't look back. And we're done.
We're done. Can you show it?
Yeah.
Tell everybody to come at the yard sale this Saturday.
Everybody who goes to my school, come to this yard sale Saturday at the pool.
Saturday, October 15th, 8 to 12 at our community pool.
Yeah.
Okay, let's go.
Let's go. We're done?
Yeah.
Thanks for watching Cool Gamer Christian. Bye. Let's keep going.